Most Eppendorf pipettes feature a spring-loaded tip cone to ensure ergonomic tip loading with perfect sealing and minimal force. The feature also ensures light tip ejection and reduces overall stress on your thumb. The spring loading works perfectly with EP Tips pipette tips, but may be deactivated if other manufacturer tips require greater attachment forces. To deactivate the spring loading action in our single channel pipettes, you'll need to install the locking ring that came with your pipette. Push down the ejector button and pull off the ejector sleeve. Push the labeled ring upwards to release the lower part. Now push the locking ring down on the lower part. Insert the lower part into the pipette and reattach the ejector sleeve. To reactivate the spring loading, simply remove the locking ring from the lower part.